Welcome to Soldi Now. Today we are going to walk through the merchant onboarding process. Getting started as a merchant is simple. To begin, you need to create a user, as shown in our onboarding guide. The merchant can be created directly from the Terms and Conditions page now, when user is created for the first time, by clicking Set up your business. Here, you'll see a form with your company details, business name, description, whether you're a corporation or LLC, your business category, state of registration, EIN, and your contact information. Please note, the business email you enter here should be different from the user's personal email used when creating the account. Once everything is filled out, just click Register Business. If your business has any owners who hold more than 25% ownership, you'll add their details here. If you do not have such owners, you can press Continue to Certification. You'll need the owner's name, social security number, home address, email, phone number, and ownership percentage. Once all owners are added, click Continue to Certify. Check the confirmation checkbox and click Certify Business. Please note that you can only certify your business when your business has passed the verification process, and you will get an email if your business has passed identity verification or not. If your business has passed at that point, your merchant account has been created successfully and you will be redirected to Merchant Dashboard. Customers can pay either by scanning a QR code or through an invoice created by the merchant in Soldi Now. Now you can select your merchant account from the drop-down. After selecting it, we can proceed to create your QR code, the key for enabling customer payments. From the dashboard, select Get QR Code, enter your store name, the station name, for example, Station 1 or Station 2, and your tax rate. Then click Generate QR Code. Your unique QR code will be instantly generated. You can print it out and display it in your store. This makes it effortless for customers to scan and pay. In order for a customer to pay through the QR code, all they need to do is scan, enter the amount they are paying, and then click Pay. It's that simple. In order to receive payments when customers use their linked banks, the merchant needs to connect their bank account. Connecting your bank with Plaid is easy. You can rest assured, Plaid never shares your actual account number with us, keeping your information private and secure. From the dashboard, click Connect Bank with Plaid. Enter your phone number. Select your bank, for example, Wells Fargo, and log in securely through the bank's site. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Soldi Now. Confirm your phone number and save. Just like that, your bank account is linked. Merchants can now create a loyalty program for their customers through Soldi Now. However, it is important to know that loyalty points and related discounts apply only to QR code payments. On loyalty program settings, you can set up how customers can earn and redeem points. Just type in the program name, points earned per dollar, and point value. You would also need to enter minimum points to redeem and maximum points to redeem. Getting money from your Soldi Now wallet is easy. Here are the steps to transfer balance into your bank account. The merchant can transfer the balance by pressing Transfer Balance. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your Soldi Now wallet to your linked bank account, then click Transfer. You can view the amount transferred in your merchant dashboard. If the merchant wants users to pay with credit card for invoices, they will need to create a connected Stripe account with Soldi Now. Credit card payments are powered by Stripe. To begin setting up a Stripe account, click Set up Stripe account. Let's get started. Input your email and phone number, then verify your login by entering the verification code sent to your email or number. Fill in all the fields below. Choose your business type and location and your business structure. Then press Continue. Fill in your legal business name and business website. Then link your bank account using Stripe. Select an account for your payouts and then click Continue. Finally, review and submit your information by clicking Agree and Submit. Once merchants are onboarded, they can start creating invoices directly from the dashboard. Let's walk through just how simple it is. From the merchant dashboard, under Invoices, click Create New Invoice. This is where the process begins. Here, you'll enter all the key invoice details. First, select your business, enter invoice details such as invoice number. Choose your time zone, issue date, and due date. Finally, enter you payer details like name, email, and company. All of this ensures the invoice is accurate and clear. Next, you'll add line items, the heart of the invoice. Each item includes a description, quantity, price, and tax. Need more items? Just keep adding them. The system will track everything for you. In Create Invoice, the merchant can save customer details as well as line item details so they don't need to enter the same things again. For recurring payments, you can also make the invoice repeat automatically. Choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Set intervals, and define your start and end dates. This is especially useful for subscription services or ongoing billing. The merchant can see the subtotal, total tax, and add a discount if needed. Once all the information is correct for the invoice, then you can click Create Invoice. The new invoice appears instantly in your invoice dashboard. Here you can see its status, whether it's outstanding, recurring, or paid, and take actions like resending, sending reminders, or even canceling if needed. All payments made toward the invoice are also visible within the invoice details, and refunds can be issued directly from there. The customer receives the invoice via email, and they can pay directly by clicking the Pay Now button. When a customer is ready to pay their invoice, they have two simple choices. They can pay by bank, or they can pay by credit card. The amount shown for credit card payments includes processing costs, so the customer always sees the final price up front. Soldi Now tracks invoices seamlessly through the invoice dashboard, so you're always up to date and you never miss a payment. You can even see your recent earnings and total balance. You can click on Access Stripe Account to see your recent earnings for credit card payments. When you click on a particular transaction, it shows the transaction details, date received, and amount. And that's invoice creation with Soldi Now. Fast, flexible, and seamless, making it easier than ever for merchants to bill and get paid. Soldi Now makes it easy to view all the transactions in the transaction summary. The merchant can view all transactions in the merchant dashboard and issue refunds if needed. Clicking on a transaction in Merchant Dashboard shows you all the details of that transaction. The merchant can click on Summarize to view transaction summary. You can filter based on date, transaction status, store, station, and payer name. This slide shows transactions filtered by payer name. Check the box that says Settled to see all transactions that have been settled. Hit Get Summary in order to see these transactions. Or you can check the box that says Unsettled, then click Get Summary. This shows all transactions that are pending. And with that, the merchant onboarding process is complete. Thank you for choosing Soldi Now. We're excited to have you on board, and we can't wait to help you make payments faster, easier, and more secure than ever.